This is Jack, and Jack is 8 months old. He was pulled off the euthanasia list in Seguin. A wonderful foster stepped up for him. He's in foster care in Texas. He's got a number of cats, at least 4 in the home. He does 5. Actually, he does great with all of them. He's great with other dogs. He loves to play. He's very affectionate to all people. He does not go potty in the house. He's potty trained. He's good on a leash. Is he good in a crate?
I don't know.
No crate train because he's good. He doesn't do anything he needs to be crated for. So we'll have to work on some crate training if he's going to be transported. But he's a wonderful dog looking for his forever home. He's currently in Texas and can be adopted locally, or we can transport him to the East Coast, West Coast, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Vermont. If you'd like to adopt Jack, contact CC Powell for an application. This is a beautiful, amazing healer lab, 8-month-old Jack.